In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can quickly find out when a PDF was created in Adobe Acrobat. So with your PDF opened in Adobe Acrobat, we're going to go to Menu, and in Menu, we're going to choose Document Properties or press Ctrl-Command-D. In the Document Properties, as you can see, we have the title, the author, and the date created and modified, and also in which application it was originally created. So this is how you can easily check when the file was created or modified in Adobe Acrobat. But if you do not have Adobe Acrobat, you can access these details from your desktop by going to the folder where your PDF is located, and then here you have the option to choose the columns you want to add, like date modified, type and size, and date created as well. As you can see, you can also right-click your file here and then choose to view the properties. And in the properties, same thing, created, modified, and accessed. So if you don't have Acrobat, that's how you can go about it. But if you do have Acrobat, you can access the date created and modified by going to the document properties. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.